Let's tone this down a bit. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Man, I missed you guys so much. I told y'all December is my craziest month, so I might be here, I might be there. So yes, we're getting a brand new video today. But before we get the video started, I wanted to thank you guys for all the love on the last video. Look at the views. Look at the views. That's crazy. YouTube's finally pushing my videos out. So thank you guys that left your like, left your comments, and did all your good stuff. I appreciate y'all. On a quick side note, I used to have my old TV up here. That one's over there. And this is a brand new one. This is my first 70-inch TV. So I was like, yo, let me treat myself. Things are going good. Let's get a TV. So I did. As I was putting it up, look at what I found. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see all those wrinkles? Yes, this TV is cracked. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to get that figured out. But anyways, you guys are here for the Goldenrod Dunk Lows, so let's go ahead and check those out. Let's just get right into it. The Golden Dunks are going to be releasing on December 16th, 2021. Today I'm recording it on the 6th, so we have about 10 days until these release. Now I got this from one of my plugs, so shout out to him, you know who you are. The retail for this pair is going to be 100 clams, and the colorway reads black, goldenrod, and white. I always go true to size when it comes to dunks, so if you guys haven't had any dunks before, go true to size. They're very similar to the Air Jordan ones if you've had those. Now let's take a look at the shoes. Bam! I gotta say, right off the rip, these are not as yellow as I thought they were. In the pictures, they kind of look like a New Love colorway, and also reminded me of the pollen colorway of the Air Jordan ones that just came out. I would say this color is in between a yellow and orange. It's just right smack dab in the middle, and I think this is a solid looking shoe. I mean, I feel like we've seen dunks so many times in the past couple years, so you already know this whole deal right here. We got our typical dunk outsole. Who remembers back in the day when you would care about the stars? If you're new into sneakers, you probably don't know about this, but these stars right here indicate how much the sneaker has been worn. So if you buy pairs and you see that these stars are all gone, you know that it's been worn a bunch. They went with a white midsole, which I think looks extremely good because there's a lot of like bright colors going on. That white hit really breaks up the sneaker very well. Upon looking at the materials of this shoe, it's nothing crazy, but you got to think about the suggested retail price only at $100. If you're able to get these for retail, I mean, these are some really good shoes. I never complain when it comes to dunks. You can't really set the standard too high, man. This is just one of those shoes where you could beat up and you could wear in almost any condition. Definitely don't get your hopes up. Again, this is just one of those shoes that it looks good, it's cheap. I'm not sure what they're going for on StockX right now, but I'll pop it up on the screen so you guys can see the market price. Whatever it's going for on StockX, it might dip a little bit under that when the shoe actually releases. Here's a quick look at the toe box area. This is how the leather's looking when I press it. Again, it doesn't feel like anything too premium. I don't even know how to explain how this feels. If you haven't had a pair of dunks before, I think this is a solid one to keep on your radar. Just because, again, on the price spectrum, they're very cheap compared to other shoes. These things last forever and they look good. Now, what I noticed on this pair is that they didn't include any extra laces. I wish they included a white pair. I think that would have set this off. With the yellow laces, there might be a little bit too much yellow going on. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. But I think a set of white laces or a set of black laces would have been clean with these. If we take a quick look at the insole, we have a black insole, which is perfect. Black insoles always stay clean, and they went with an interesting color on here. It's almost like a tangerine orange instead of that yellow, which I thought was kind of interesting. You would think that they would match it with the color of the outside, but they went with a more bright look on the inside. Kind of weird to see that, but it is what it is. Now, I'm not too much of a fan of these laces right here. I think they're a little bit different than what we usually get. For me, something looks a little different, but I don't know if I'm tweaking or not. Now, I do have a pair of Pollens over here, so we could do a quick little comparison. And if you're wondering what this is my stack of shoes that I'm selling on my website. So if you guys would like to check that out, shopsoltopia.com, baby. But yeah, let's get a quick look and quick comparison of the Pollen Air Jordan ones versus the Goldenrods. So here's how we're looking. As you guys can tell, the Air Jordan ones are significantly more dull or more of like a flat look, and the Goldenrods pop a lot more. They're more vibrant. I feel like they attract the eye a little bit more than the Jordan 1. So my question to you guys is, which one do you prefer? The Pollen Air Jordan ones actually have a decent quality of leather. I mean, look at that. It's nice and soft. The yellow part is just whatever, but the black on here that's tumbled, That's a really nice hit. I feel like if they incorporated that black leather on this, that would have been hard. Personally, I think out of both of these, I would have to go with the Dunk Lows. Something about the Jordan 1 highs, I mean, just looking at them and comparing them like this, these just look so much better. And I don't know what it is. I usually love an Air Jordan 1. I've been wearing Air Jordan 1s for forever, but the low tops are starting to grow on me a little bit more. I just like slipping my foot in there. It's just something that you would leave by the door. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Goldenrods or the Pollen Air Jordan 1s? Let me know in the comment section down below. I almost feel like I should put a logo on these, like right here in the back, just customize something with the heat transfer, just to give it that extra spice. Because this shoe is definitely missing something, but it's a nice shoe. I'm not gonna lie, it is a nice shoe. Would I pay a few $100 for this? Hell no. But for $100, this one is definitely getting beat up. And for me, whenever I wear Dunks, like it takes a very, very long time for them to look beat. Like they hardly ever get to that point. So this is a solid one to add to the collection. Let me know if you guys are gonna be going for these again, December 16th, 2021 for the retail price of 100 clams. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick review of the Goldenrod Dunk Lows. Again, I apologize. I've been so busy getting all these orders out. Thank you guys so much for supporting the site. Shopsotopia.com if you guys want to check out anything. I also just came back from a trip. I purchased a new vehicle, so if you guys would like to stay tuned to that, check out the vlog channel at SneakerHeadInTheBay Vlogs. But with all that being said, it's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. So I'll see you guys very soon. I'm out. Peace.